Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to learn about the bits command. How we can use the bits command in INVT PLC. Counting on bits in the word in INVT PLC. So let's get started. Where we can find this instruction in the instruction tree, you can see this the section of enhanced bit logic instruction. Here you can see there is the one command bit counting on bit in word instruction. Second same bit, same this command, only differences between this is the D bits means the long data 32 bit and this is the 16 bit data. 16 bit data. So how we can use this command into the PLC? Just we will drag and drop this command, and here we have to be give the data register. An example D0, and where we need the answer, that's we can take the D5 and click enter, and here we will take the continue on bit LDSM0, and this command will be downloaded into the PLC. Again click as access will be download, you can click it on the yes and make the monitor. And for an example, why use this command in the INVT PLC? First of all, I like to little explain. Commonly in the INVT PLC programming, specifically for the IVC1L series, which I am using in the program, is very handy utility. This one bits command is the very handy utility. When you need to count how many bits are on exist within a specific data register. So this is D0, and also this is commonly why I use this bit. Commonly this is used for the error checking, counting active sensors like in a group array mapping status words. So we will check it here how we can count the bits which is inside our program on. With an example, we will take online, make it edit, easy to download the program and click enter. And for an example, I will take it here LDM0, and we will make it on the bits in the D0 data register. The D0 data register, what we can make it on D0.0. Sorry, first we have to be type the out D0.0, my first input of our D0 beta, and next one more we can type LDM1 and out D0.1 for an example. One more we will be take for the example LDM0.2, sorry, LDM0.2, oh sorry, we have to be type LD0.1, LDM2, and out we have to be type D0.2, and next LDM3 for an example, and out we can take the third number of data register D0.3, and this is 4 bits we are now checks verify with this counting bit, and this we will be download into the PLC again, because of if not download it will be not work properly. And for an example, I will make it the M0, first bit we will be on the data register of the D0, and you can see there is a 1 bit ready, and this is, it moves into the T5 1 bit. It counts means 1 bit. And if I make it on this second bit also, and after you can see there is the 2 bits are ready into the D5. It counts immediately and shows you status into the D5. And for an example, I M2 also I will make it on, and you can see there is the 7 value. This is showing in the decimal. It's converting into the binary continuously, and answer gives you into the D5. And you can see there is a 7 and there is a 3. And now in M3 also I will make it on, and you can see this is the 4 bits are on, and in the binary this is the 15 value you can see at the T0. So maybe if one output input will be off, and after it will be shows the 3 status, means 3 bits are on. And if you like to see in the binary also, you can go to the element monitoring section and double click it on this one, and here you can see in the binary, if we will make it this in the decimal, after you can see this value will be shown. And then if you like to see in the binary, you can see this is 1, 2 and 3 bits are on. And here in the D5 answer you can see there is a 2 bits are showing, means this is in the binary. But in, if you see in the main, there is the 3 bits are on. And same if you like to be make it stop this one M2 also, you can see there is a 2 bits are on. So it will be continuously. If you like to see the status how much bits are on in the program, you can use this command. And also if you like to be, for an example, like to generate the alarms, you can use the compare command. It here very simple. ld, I will type ld sm0, and after we can type the ld when equal or greater than ld equal, sorry, greater than or equal d5 with 1 for an example, and out we will make the y0. This we can generate the alarm look like, and download this again to the PLC. And now you can see this d5 is greater than 2 or equal with 1, and our y0 is on. And again for an example we will make it this off also. This is still on, and when this we will be make it M0 also make it off 0, you can see this is out output off. And this value also you can change if 2 makes for an example, so this will be working accordingly to the 2. And I will give the signal at the M0, and you can see our 1 bit is on and it's not still on. And again when we make it the M1 on, and after you can see our output will be immediately on. So same in the program, how many bits you like to see the status, how much bits are on and off. So, and I'll generate the alarm, so you can use this bits command. And if you like to be use this long value, this is up to 16 bit data. And if you like to be change this one, you can this the write only just here the d bits and click enter, and again download into the PLC. And now maybe how many bits, maybe 100 bits like to be used, you can use. You can see now is the value is then the decimal is changed, and there is same value will be 2. And one more if I will make it on, you can see this is the counts 3 value. And one more if we like to make it on, and there is the counts the 4. So hope guys you will be understand about this bits and d bits command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.